Hi, I'm going to make the hot and sour cucumber. I have 8-ounce cucumber, 1 ounce of red pepper, about 1 teaspoon of garlic, and 1/4 teaspoon of hot chili pepper. And for the sauce, I use 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And I put a pinch of salt and pepper in it. And I mix well. Okay, my wok is already hot, so I'll put a little bit oil in it. Okay, I'm going to put the garlic in it, hot chili pepper, and red pepper and the cucumber. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to put some salt in it. Okay, this is all done. Okay, there is hot and sour cucumber.